Okay, going in the side door. This is living room and bedroom for me and Donovan. More than enough room. And I've got another memory foam to put down there. I put this basket in because I love it, and it just holds like all my gear as far as flashlights and things like that. And then behind my faux wall, there's tons of storage, as much storage as over my kitchen. How cute is that? And I have a 5-gallon water bottle over there, which will have a USB powered spigot attached to it, and the spigot will sit here, and I'll actually run water into the sink after I put a drain in it. Is that not the cutest thing ever? And gobs of storage. That's my battery, of course, and that's my new 12-volt refrigerator freezer with a collapsible tray on top. So it's perfect. It's roomy, it's comfortable. Donovan and I are just gonna be great. And eventually, I think we talked about it, I want to keep my front seat but get it put on a swivel. And I have to hem my curtains. What you think?